Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful. How are you all? Dear learners, as I have already shared with you that before starting the tenses, like simple present tense or present indefinite tense, it is very important to study uh, 10 things. These 10 things looks, simple and small, but these are very important. Those 10 things are use of it, there, is, am, are, was, were, has, have, and had. So today we are going to discuss about the use of had. Before starting, let me tell you that this word had is used in two ways. First way is as a main verb, because it is the past tense of has and have. In present we speak has and have. For past, for showing possession in past, we use had. So let's have a look towards these sentences. We will see that how these sentences are completed. वो हाथ में छड़ी रखता था. वो हाथ में छड़ी रखता था. So here the word, वो, he, वो हाथ में छड़ी रखता था. He had a stick. He had a stick. Next, let's have a look. किसान दो बैल रखता था. किसान दो बैल रखता था. The farmer had two bullocks. The farmer had two bullocks. Let's have a look towards next sentence. मेरे पास खूबसूरत बाईसाइकिल थी. मेरे पास खूबसूरत बाईसाइकिल थी. I had a beautiful bicycle. I had a beautiful bicycle. Let's have a look towards next sentence. हमारे बाग के इर्द गिर्द बाड़ थी. हमारे बाग के इर्द गिर्द बाड़ थी. Our garden had a hedge around it. Baड़, hedge. We also said fence. 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 Our garden had a hedge or fence. So we can use these words. Our garden had a hedge or fence. Let's have a look towards next sentence. क्या माहीगीर के पास मजबूत जाल था? क्या माहीगीर के पास मजबूत जाल था? Had the fisherman a strong net? Had the fisherman a strong net? So we have to mark a question sign of interrogation, because it is an interrogative sentence. Therefore we will use question mark. क्या उस दुकानदार के पास चीनी ना थी? Let's have a look towards next sentence. क्या उस दुकानदार के पास चीनी ना थी? Had that shopkeeper no sugar? Had that shopkeeper no sugar? Since this is an interrogative sentence, that's why we brought had in the start. Let's have a look towards the last sentence. खिलाड़ियों के पास सामान ना था. खिलाड़ियों के पास सामान ना था. The players had no luggage. The players had no luggage. We can also say the players had no bags. The players had no bags. So dear learners, you have seen that today we discussed the use of had as a main verb. This will be used as a helping verb in past perfect. We will later on discuss, but today we have seen the use of had as a main verb. So with this, as we have made our routine that we discuss the parts of speech as well, as we have already studied the parts of speech: noun, pronoun, verb, adverb, conjunction, interjection, preposition and adjective. So wherever they will come, I would like to let you know. I would like to let you know about it, that here are parts of speech. In this way, you will better understand. You will be quite clear about their identification. You can easily identify, you can easily judge and know that which word is, you know which word is which parts of speech. So that would be quite easy. So I, he, pronoun, had, main verb, a, article, indefinite article, stick, noun, the, definite article, farmer, farmer, that farmer, this is noun, had, main verb, to, adjective, bullocks, noun, I, pronoun, had, verb, a, indefinite article, beautiful, adjective, bicycle, noun, our, pronoun, garden, noun, had, main verb, a, this is adjective as well as article, indefinite article, hedge and fence. I have used two words, hedge or fence, so these are nouns. Had, main verb, the, definite article, fisherman, noun, a, indefinite article, strong, adjective, net, noun. Had, main verb, that, this is adjective, shopkeeper, noun, no, adjective or adverb, sugar, noun, the, article, this is definite article, players, noun, had, main verb, no, adjective or adverb, luggage, noun, or bags, this is also noun. So dear learners, you have seen that with this identification we have known the parts of speech. So I hope you have understood it. For more clarity we will be discussing it. So furthermore, you can subscribe the channel and you can click the icon of bell so that you can get the earliest the lectures. Thank you very much. Take care of yourself and the people you know. Allah Hafiz.